going on, guys? What's up? Today in this video I'll be playing a new game that has came out called Flight Escape 2. I never knew that Flight Escape 2 would come out. Anyway, big shout out to crazyblocks_dev for making this because I really wanted to play this game. And yeah, as you can see I'm level 2 because I've played this before. I haven't played it before. I just clicked. First time I've ever doing that. Anyway, I have been playing this only for a bit though. I've only been playing for a couple games. And yeah, I'll be joined by YoBroSoCool4.
Hi. This is my first time playing it when it's first come out because I played the other ones.
Yeah. So just get in the elevator. And spectate. Who should we spectate? Free Monster. Oh, they made it. Oh, we're going in soon. We're going in soon.
Oh god, there's a lot of people.
Oh dear. That guest is rip. Yep, let's go. Right. We're doing it. We're doing this.
It lags for me.
We're doing this, boys. Boys, we're doing this.
It's hard as well. It's hard.
What?
Are we meant to go here? Where are we meant to go?
Oh. I don't even know where we're meant to go because I've never played this game before. Hiya!
I don't know either. I'm dying. Where do I go?
Oh, wait. Here.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I see.
Oh, I have to parkour. Oh, wait. You have to... Wait. What? Where'd you go? Oh, you go down. You go down.
Wait, what? How'd you go down?
No.
Oh, you left shift.
I'm dead.
I need to.
That's hard.
Go. No, there's no air. What? That's impossible, really. That should be impossible, bro.
People are doing it somehow. Don't know how they just are.
What?
I think it's because they've got a tank.
Is it like air patches or something?
Wait, they've got a tank.
They're holding their breath forever.
I know, because they've got a tank. I think that's that.
What's a tank?
I don't know.
There's no way someone can make that, like, legit.
People making it.
There's no way.
People making it. Oh.
Oh, that guy just died.
Yeah. I was spectating that guy. Oh, wait. They're in a new game. Oh, because we didn't enter the thing. Oh, we forgot to enter this. Joshua idiots.
No. We'll join the next round. Private spectator.
This is a good game.
This is
Really?
what you just got Dunstan
Tanks, that's what we need. I can get a horrible tank, but no. Oh my gosh, that goes up really fast. Man, you're dead. Dead. It's dead, boy.
I only have 3. I don't have anything.
Wait, is there anybody else alive? 3
Just
monsters.
got dunked girls doing it. You just got dunked on.
This girl's doing spins.
Who?
This girl, 3monster23, she's doing spins.
How? No, I'm watching her.
Oh, she's dead. Oh, what?
She can do this though.
Oh, you're so...
I actually think the first one's better because it's like more difficult this one, isn't it?
I actually like this more already. Because if we go on the other one, like, we've got like 200 wins.
No, I got 166.
I've got like 200.
No, you haven't.
I do. I'm close to it.
But you haven't got it dead.
Go! No! Why is this stupid thing? Go! Well, you can press shift to sprint.
They don't.
You do.
Come on.
Nice. Button pressed. Ready, go.
No, sticky keys. I don't know where you got.
Ah! So hard! Oh, yeah.
Are we doing it though? Oh my god. Oh, that's a bridge. Where are you? Do you see me? Oh, I see you down there, you failed.
Hey,
So, I'm actually doing this.
yes, Josh, come on. Got this.
It's quite good.
I have to get as far as I possibly can. I don't think there's an end to this. I think it's just infinite. Oh, we've won. Yeah, we've won. Yeah, we won! Unless somebody's really bad and he fails.
It's just falls. Yeah, I'm bad. I'm level 1. Oh, that's rising. That is rising. You smashed it, right?
Rise falls when it rumbles.
Oh, these dudes are dead. These dudes are dead.
No, they're
they
not.
are dead.
Right.
Look, they made it. They made it.
Come on, Josh, we're doing this. Doing this. Doing this.
Right, now we go this way.
Just have to wait.
Alright, come on. Someone press that button.
Oh, fudge, somebody died. I mean, somebody fell
Someone
off.
get that button.
Oh, I have to go get it.
Oh my.
Sit. Oh,
Make
my.
sure you've been hit.
Oh, wait, what?
Got a pair of gas
I'm
bags,
dead.
you two.
I don't know.
You and your...
Oh, we're recording. That's
Oh, yo, I'm doing it though.
sad. That was great. Oh no, I'm dying. What? Ah!
I'm still alive.
So guys, that was my nan. She's adopting me. I've been adopted. So if you want to. I'm joking. I've not been adopted.
It.
I
Yo,
died.
have you
Level up. Level 3. Boy.
Yo, are you spectating me? Spectating me?
I am.
Smashing it.
Josh, you're doing it. Oh, Josh.
Oh, by myself. I keep falling this ladder, bruh.
Why can you not get... Oh, Josh.
I just got pushed.
I know.
Oh, I'm dying. I'm lagging. This guy is lagging, bruh. If I die, I'm blamed.
Behind you.
Why is everyone lagging? I died.
Yeah, I know.
I lagged. I jumped. I was at one place and I just fell off all of a sudden. Oh, it's hard anyway, so it makes sense.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Wait, the next one, right?
Where'd he go? Oh, here.
I
Go.
can't walk. Oh, what?
What's this map called? I think it's called Sky. I'm pretty sure.
What? How? Okay. What?
Oh, wow, I didn't see that. I'm dead.
Do this.
I'm dead again. I didn't see that.
So you're falling.
I didn't see that. I'm so bad at this
I don't know
game.
where to go. Where am I meant to go?
Josh, where are you going?
What? Where am I meant to go?
Where are you going? Up
It's
that
lag,
ladder.
okay? It's lag. Bang, got that. Thanks, anyways.
No, you didn't.
Oh.
Somebody else got it. It's lagging so hard for you.
I'm smashing it though. I'm actually smashing it. Let's go this way now.
I'm just looking on my iPad and just watching your face. I'm not even watching the screen. I'm just watching your face.
Yeah, because we're FaceTiming right now.
I know.
It's a Skype that you use. I just slap.
Oh wow, you're dead.
That was lag.
No, it's not. It's got beam on leg.
But you can tell me. You can see myself, bro. Show me myself, bro. You can kind of see it.
Sit up. Well, that's YoBroSoCool4.
So that's my keyboard. And then that's my mouse. It's tiny. As you see, it's actually tiny. And then got a mouse mat as well. It's about £1.50.
Just put it underneath my screen.
That is my setup. And then still.
You will join the next round. Sick!
Hello?
Hi.
My god. Why do we just keep lagging, bruh?
Bruh. Oh, right, it says poor connection. Boy, this is not going good, is it? Oh, you left. Hello? Oh, hard? Oh no, we don't like hard. We like easy mode. We like easy. We don't like hard. What's happening? I'm confused. Oh my gosh, it's magma. It's actual magma that explodes. I can't hear you, Josh. I can't hear you.
Oh, I'm back.
Okay, there we go. What happened?
My brother came upstairs and I lost connection.
Oh.
So that's the most annoying thing.
Hmm.
And now I can't
Get that buttons! Get that buttons! Oh, you left the game.
I didn't. I just lost connection.
Okay.
I don't know. 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 I getting
Oh wait, oh we were in. Oh, I was looking at my
That's
iPad.
annoying.
Where'd you
Let's
go? I don't trust this. Where'd you
I don't
go?
think we're meant to.
I'm just guessing.
Oh, you actually, I think you're meant to go here.
Oh, you're meant to go here.
Yeah, you're meant to. We just wasted all our time on that.
I
This
know.
ladder jump's quite hard. This ladder jump.
Oh, I made it, boy. I was born to
Nailed it.
press the button.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Thanks for prick, prick.
I can't
Okay,
sprint. I don't have to sprint.
prick, prick.
No. Oh,
Oh my gosh, that's hard.
It meant to go up there.
Yeah, you are. Right, first person mode is on.
Harder, that
Oh, pack up, pack up, pack up. What's going? Where do you go?
Wait, where are we meant to go?
Oh, behind us, behind us, behind us. Somebody move. Move. Meh.
Oh my god, this
Oh,
is one block jump.
this is so hard.
Right, I'm lagging.
This is so hard.
We're
We're screwed.
We're screwed. We're screwed. We're screwed. We're screwed.
I'm dead.
Come on. Get over it. Get over it. Oh, almost made that. No, I think it's actually impossible.
It's not.
Surely.
Get in, quickly, Josh.
Right. Yo, it's gonna be like easy, bro.
I'm level 3.
They're all hard. They're all hard maps.
It's
They're like-
normal.
There's no easy.
This one's normal. I think I've made this one. I think you can even complete it. Complete like something. See what you can get. Bodies. Oh.
No, I can't buy anything.
Yeah, because you're
I
poor,
can't buy
boy.
anything now.
Spectate.
What can I buy?
But I'm sorry about the uploads. I just don't know what happened to my uploads.
Same. If you tell me in the description.
You need to upload a video, mate. You need to upload a video.
I know. I do. I'm not uploading on Sunday, so be fair.
You're uploading a video on Sunday?
Mhm.
Okay, then make sure on Sunday you just look. Because I might record a video on Sunday with him for his channel. It depends what are you going to do?
Vlog.
A vlog?
Well, I can't really say it, to be honest. It's going to be like a vlog type-ish thing.
Okay.
That's what I'm giving you.
You don't have to give me a thing.
That's all I'm doing. I actually might do
Oh,
one
Josh,
as
we're
well.
going in. People has completed it. We're going in.
Yeah.
I'm ready, I'm so ready. Oh, we're in! Okay, I wasn't ready.
Yeah.
But how are we meant to get up there? Oh, we're meant to go like that and get...
Even I'm better than you.
I can be bothered to get it. I can be bothered to get it. Oh, there's more magma. Oh, that's just wonderful,
Where
isn't
are we
it?
meant to go? Where are we meant to go?
What? There's a button.
Oh, through that gate!
Oh my god, a parkour.
So difficult.
Oh my god.
Where are you meant to go?
I'm just
I don't know.
best. Simply the best. Oh, wait. Oh. Swiping, no swiping.
Wait, what? How'd you get up there? Bro. Where are you meant to go?
Oh, go.
Wait, where are you meant to go? Let's get, okay.
You just have to be simply the best.
What? You just flew over there.
I know.
swear to God, you just,
The
in the
best.
end, you just flew over.
Where'd you go? Oh, up here.
I'm
Yeet.
behind you.
Yeet. Yeet. Yeet.
Oh my god.
Yeet.
I just.
Oh my god, people. Wait, can
Oh
you?
my god.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
That just disappeared.
Yeah.
Disappeared.
Where'd you go?
Oh,
No, that's unfair. Wait, I can't.
Made it.
Like,
I smashed it.
5 drowned.
I smashed it.
Oh,
I
wait,
smashed it.
I can buy something.
I smashed it.
I can buy
smashed
something.
it.
I'm buying this.
I can't.
Wait, I thought I could buy something for 25. Oh yeah, tank.
Yo, we're in. I'm in another game.
I
Let's go,
bought a
boys.
tank.
You're not even in our game now.
Wait, what? You went in the game? You went in a game? Okay, that was really cringy. Sorry. Cringe. Very much cringe.
I'm thinking you have to go up here.
Do you?
Nope, that's where we started from.
Up
Where we met? Oh,
the ladder, behind you! Behind you! Oh my gosh, Josh. Ah, my brain cells.
Met lag today. Just blame the lag, not me.
Oh my gosh, that
No,
lag.
that's not actually an excuse.
Jeez. That's not even an excuse, Josh. I can just... You're glitching, boy. Oh my gosh. What was that? How are you able to like control Josh, now you've got better FPS on Minecraft. We should go on an Island Clash. We should.
Okay, I'm down. I'm down.
He's got better FPS now because he's got. I don't even know what he's got.
If I got my dad's laptop, I get like 50 FPS. I'm down.
Oh, sick.
Or like 60 FPS. I'm down. She shot my mouse.
Oh, that's just really embarrassing. I'm the only one here. Oh, there we go. Thank you.
Go on then. Oh my god, I'm smashing it.
Simply the best.
Oh, am I gonna smash this button?
Oh wait, I didn't. What? What? I didn't even see that.
Smash it.
Well, I'm going in first person for this.
I smashed the button. I smashed the button.
Let's
Let's go over here. Oh, there you go. What the hell? Okay.
Oh wow, I'm just bad. Go,
My
go,
keyboard's
go.
quite loud.
Give me.
It's quite
Oh,
loud.
oh,
Oh.
oh, no, not this map, not this map. I don't even know where to go.
Oh, okay.
Where'd you go?
I don't. I don't know.
Where'd you go? We're sitting down here.
Yeah.
I'm dead. How do people make that? How do people make that?
Look, I'm down. Dead. How would you even... How is that even meant to... Level up. Yeah, boy. 5 gems. I'm gonna buy something. Oh no, I've got 9.
How does electric cyclone do that?
I don't know. I don't know.
No, he's still alive.
To buy the rusted tank.
I bought the second best. I bought the second worst tank. Look, they've made it.
What, that Vestal one?
They've just made it. And a guy,
Oh, get in here.
he's got the same.
Get. Oh, we just.
Oh, it's hard anyway.
Oh, it's fine.
How do people make that?
Probably because they played the game.
No, but a guest made it, and he has the same tank as me.
What? Okay, that's a bit weird.
How do people make that?
What does the tank even do?
I don't even know. I think it gives you more energy for air. I don't know. How do you do that?
Because this electric cyclone guy's only got a rusted tank and he's smashed.
Josh, we seriously need to play some more Island Clash. I can't remember what episode we're on.
Should we do like 20 minutes afterwards?
What?
Like one more game? Or like 2 more games and should we go on that?
What, and what, not record it?
No, record it, but like pause it, like cut the video here. Something like that. Like after this game, record the, like pause the video, go there, and then just finish there.
One more game.
I'm down to do that.
One more game.
Alright, so here we go.
I don't know how long we've been recording for, that's the thing. Like, when I pause the video, I'm just going to check how long we've been recording for. Because if we've been recording for like 10 minutes, then obviously yes. But if we've been recording for like 20 minutes, then obviously not.
Why?
Because that'll be, do you know how long that takes? It takes like 5 hours to upload. If it's like, Iron Clash videos takes like 5 hours to upload.
That's a bit of an exaggeration.
Because remember, I have to export it.
Oh yeah, true.
And which takes like 2 hours.
Oh god.
And then upload it, which takes like 3 hours. And they have to do the thumbnail, which takes like half an hour.
No, you don't.
Or 15.
You do not make thumbnails.
I know I don't. You shouldn't have said that.
You don't make thumbnails. Anyways, I can't make it. I'm not smashing it. I'm ready.
Oh!
Where are you meant to go now? Where am I meant to go? Oh.
Right, do you wanna go? Do you wanna go on? Let's go.
I just got locked in. How does that make sense? Okay, right, bye.
So, off to Roblox, onto Island Clash. Bye. I know this hasn't, like, we were planning to go on Island Clash, but the thing is, we wasn't really on that much today, so we're deciding to just end it here. Hope you did enjoy this Floodscape video. If If you did, make sure to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.